One sec. Felix plays with balls. Oh, with a Z, nice. Very, very nice, Chris. Very, very nice. Okay. Good.
Beautiful.
Is Charlie here as well? No, it's Chris. C is Chris, yeah. No? Charlie? Yeah, you're here.
Hey, hello.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello. Okay, good. Good, Chris. Can you go through, can you look at Trello maybe?
Yes. All right. Yeah, we really didn't finish the Search Console course. That's for sure. You also had set up curriculum for Domino classrooms.
Done. Yeah, done. I'm having the first lesson now, by the way, in like 2 hours.
Nice. Find more platforms for course publishing.
Yeah, I found 2 more. I guess you can move that.
Can we publish it?
You can write publish. You can like, yeah, we can move that and then write another one, which is like publish 2 more, publish level 1 on another platform. I can't remember its name now, but it's 2 different ones.
Level 1 on 2 new platforms. I'm just writing it down right away. Okay. And I think, I mean, yeah, I mean, the rest of the stuff is things that have been in regards to the landing pages and things that you've been doing, kind of preparing. I'm not sure who you should talk about it. Like maybe start with what you've been doing so far.
Also, quickly, if Alan is available, can he join and just have a listen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Alan can come, I think.
Yeah, that would be very good, I think. Oh, no, hold on. Okay. Okay. Sorry, what's that? Looking for Alan here. Alan. Sorry, guys. 1 second. My computer's slow. Go to chat. Okay. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm back now. I think we should just look at Chris. Do you still want to share your screen?
Yeah. What?
I'll share my screen instead.
Right.
Okay, so looking at Slack and for the meeting. Okay, so we've talked about, here's my keys, by the way. The entrance to the house, wonderful. They've been hanging there all night. Okay, so demo, and can we just start with this then? I think, actually, yeah. Before we move on to landing page, does it not make sense to go through the demo first? What we've done?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Oh, it is. Okay, good. But then, okay, so you and I, we've already gone through that, and so I'll log into general Kanban, and then just go through them from here. So we have completed. Use coupon code after sign up. Make sure I know these works. These guys work. When finished lesson 1, offer free month on congratulations page. Is there any way we can see that, E4?
Hang on, can you just check that? I'll just get one on mine. Completed when finished lesson 1. Maybe. Hang on, let me just see if I can get it on mine. Yeah, I think you can just go / congratulations on Domino.
So this is after lesson 1. You come to this page.
Yeah.
Great work, guys. You finished lesson 1, and even though you're not. So then you come here, and then you click select. Verify coupon. Nice. But
But I think if you click the link instead of clicking, if you read the text, it says
use the coupon code.
Yeah, and then just you can just use that.
Okay. And then you click verify coupon. Okay, very nice. Okay. It would be nice maybe if you wrote like copy this text. It might be difficult if you're not on a computer or something. Just have a little button that's a copy. So if you read it really fast, you can also see what you're supposed to do. So I was going through it quickly there and I missed it. And the video here is a bit awkward, the black thumbnail, but we can go through that later. I think that's really good though. I'll make like 2 tiny wishes from that.
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello, Alan.
Hey, how are you guys?
Hello.
Very good, thank you.
Cool.
So I lied to you a little bit, Alan. First, we have to just go through the stories. But maybe you can stay in the background for a little bit.
Yeah, fine. Yep.
Thank you. Good. Yeah, so I'll make tiny wishes from that E4. And I just want to make sure, after you finish, so you go to level 1, lesson 1. After the lesson quiz here, is that what should happen? I can just do that now. Mouthful. E. Just submit the answer. Sun. Okay, done. No, fuck. Equal. And then, yeah, you come to this page. Perfect. I love it. Yeah, no, very nice. Okay. Yeah, good. I'll make a wish from that. Okay, so when finished lesson 1, that's good. Update coupon message after adding coupon. So that updates. Yeah, I saw that. So that updates directly. Center onboarding pop-up. Can we look at that as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe it's quick. Yeah, hang on.
Now I'll just sign up again, but you don't like me doing that.
Yeah, I mean, just get these weird registration stats that are not. Hang on. Felix, come in now. Just sign in as yourself. I'll onboard it.
Let me know when.
Yeah, log in.
Choose a course. Start a lesson. Step 2. Very nice. Step 3. Very nice. Step 4. As your vocabulary grows, we'll recommend dialogues that match with your exact level. Very nice. Oh, sorry. Already placed you in our main course, just the fluency path. Just let's play. Finish. Perfect. I think that's good. I want to also show you though that Charlie has added. I think I've made.
Yeah.
Did you see that? I think that would be good. 3 months. Okay, perfect. Very good. Mm, by the way, from in the future, when you make these, like it would be good maybe with the snapshot of these things, so I don't have to go and find them. So maybe you just, I don't know, maybe even to these completed ones, I could just log in and you can just attach a screenshot of what the result looks like. Maybe, and
Okay.
I can have a look as it's done. Maybe.
Right. Yeah.
Losing track here. Okay. Center Bombo, is it possible to try one of the advanced lessons as a trial? Is that possible?
I mean, these are also user submitted feedback, so I've just chucked them in there just so I've got a. Yeah, I don't think you need to worry too much about some of these.
Okay. My subscription lesson progress is gone or no? Auto-generated sitemap. That's SEO stuff.
Yeah, I added that. Yeah, after looking through some of the Google Search Console stuff. So now, once a day, it just. Yeah, I mean, if you go on, or maybe it's just dominochinese.com/sitemap.xml, and then you get a.
.xml.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then so that gives you all the forum posts, all the blog posts and stuff. So
Nice. So we keep track of all of this now. Google keeps track.
well, Google will check that sitemap, and then we'll go in and check those articles. So it should be, yeah, a bit better for the SEO stuff because they know which pages to look for.
Nice. So like, but with the forum, do we if we add a new channel, it'll automatically be added here? Yeah.
No. Well, the script runs once a day, so yeah, if the channel gets added, then the following day it'll be on this page.
No. Very nice. Okay, perfect. Pay in renminbi, is that a thing?
Only manually. Yeah, so that one is just someone wanted to pay with Alipay or WeChat or something, and then yeah, set up a manual subscription for them.
Good. Charlie, are you there?
Yeah.
So some students want to pay on WeChat. We will just forward you the emails and then you can take care of them, right? You know how much to charge also.
Yeah, that's 500 for 1 year, right?
Yeah, and then you fix it.
Right now, I think Evo is handling this.
Yeah. I just spoke to Gavin and gave him the QR code and told him what to say in the email, and then just to let me know when they've confirmed they've paid.
Oh, nice. About Gavin, by the way, I talked to him and he thought he was supposed to collect all the data over 1 month and then ask me. But now he's like answering. And he doesn't know how to answer. Then he asks me and I answer right away. And then he takes notes. So the second time he gets the same question, then he knows what to say. Now he will answer within like an hour. So we have customer.
Cool.
My customer. Okay, Pleco file. Add static and video subdomains to flowcharts.
Oh, that was just working that big split document I was working on.
Oh yeah, nice. Wrong
Well,
transaction, flashcard, payment, fix, MP3 problem. Yeah, very nice. Add new subdomains. Okay, perfect. Review, update error page. So what does it say now instead of go home?
I mean, go on. There's a couple of error messages. So if you go on Domino Chinese and just type in some random page that doesn't exist, you should get 404. But I'm still, yeah, I think I put a feedback for you, just so we can have some different pictures for the different error messages. But at the moment, yeah, they're just kind of, there's just that picture with different text. So if you log in as someone else and then go to dialogues or something, it'll just say, "Oh, please update your subscription. Click here to update," or something like that.
Nice. That's nice.
Oh, and then yeah, if it's the dialogue, it will show. Oh no, the flashcards. It will show the animated GIF of the dialogue of the flashcard. Sorry.
The animated GIF of the flashcard. Oh, that's really nice. Do you mind if I log in as a new user?
Well, you must have a million users you can.
Ah, shut up.
I just
Yeah, I'll try. Hold on. No.
because that's another thing I want to do as well. I'm going to just send an email to everyone and just get them to verify their email address at some point.
Yeah, maybe. We'll talk about that.
Yeah.
Please upgrade subscription to view this content. Upgrade your subscription.
And then if you click on flashcards, then you should see. Yeah, I mean, these background images will be different, but.
Oh, nice. This is very nice. This is very nice. Okay.
Yeah, so
Perfect.
that's just.
Yeah, perfect. Very, very nice. Okay, moving on. Thank you for that. Very well done. Generate daily coupon log reports. I guess that's done. This is Chris. He would have said so otherwise. Display opinion in English on CSV. Oh, that's it. Oh, have you done that?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Very
But one quick thing. Words have got multiple definitions. So at the moment, I've just put them all in, comma separated.
Yeah, I saw that. That's good.
Okay. Yeah, cool.
That's good. I like it. A 3-month pop-up offer. Oh, okay. So when is this done?
Well, if you click on what? Because this one you can't really do it the way that it's. If you click inside there, I mean, it says pop up upon finishing lesson 1 or doing anything new, right? But if you don't have a subscription, you can't view the flashcards anyway, so you can't have a pop up after finishing the first one.
Okay.
So this is marked as complete because when you go to the congratulations page, they get the 3-month pop up, the 3-month coupon thing, right? So.
Okay, cool. I see. So we'll have a think about that. Also, guys, I want to show you a few things quickly. So that's the last one as well, no?
Yeah. So those ones you can just close them.
I'll do that, but I don't want everyone watching because I get pressure then.
You get embarrassed.
Get embarrassed for clicking so slowly. I want to show everyone. Where is it then? Flowcharts. Okay, so I made these wonderful flowcharts. One is onboarding. So I've sent a link to everyone. It's good that you have a look. This is actually with the Domino classroom. Let's skip that one. Let's do the onboarding process flowchart, it says. And so everyone can have a look at this. And this is this is an extended version of what Chris did before. So it says, it's either like you come organically from a YouTube or Google search or something, or it's a free month that you've been given somewhere, or it's from the blog, or it's from Udemy. And then it just takes you all the way through the process here. Intro guide on what should happen and so on. And then it's subscribe. So I think we can go through this a little bit later on, or everyone can just look at it on their own. And then we can add to this flow chart as well. Like if they don't subscribe after lesson 1, they get a pop-up. If they don't do that, what happens then? And so on and so on. So the congratulations pop-up. We can just make sure that this is synced with the current website. And if there are any more scenarios, we should write them down. Does that sound good to everyone?
Yeah.
Very good. And everyone is E4, I guess. And then we have Domino Classroom. I've also, like you asked for, I've mapped out what Domino Classroom is, what we will do, and how fast phase 1 is, which is Domino Classroom here, Domino website here. They're being different entities, but then merge the 2 entities in phase 2, where we put them together and they sort of become one. And the main thing that we want to talk about is on our landing page is the Domino Classroom. That's what we want to sell. And then if people don't want that, people can just get the ordinary course. More about that maybe later. But yeah, have a look at that. It's very, very good stuff, I think. And okay, pause me if I'm going too fast or too slow.
No, that's fine. You better get through this.
Yeah. Charlie,
Hmm?
where are you here? You are... There, here we are. Is this your sprint here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've already seen the design of this. That's very good. Course list screen. That's very, very good looking, actually. Has everyone seen that? I think it's something worth maybe just being a bit inspired by. Oh, fuck, I can't do it. I don't know if I can record it. Charlie, can you record quickly and send it to me, and I can upload it on YouTube so everyone can have a look at the course overview page.
Sure.
Okay, so since Charlie is a little bit ahead, he's been able to make, obviously a lot prettier stuff and nicely done stuff. And not saying that the website isn't nicely already, but I think we can take inspiration from that a lot. And this is one of them. I think we can look at his course overview and just simplify ours a little bit. Added merchandise shop, I saw that. Recommended dialogues. Have you done any of that, Charlie?
Yeah, I start working on that. Actually, maybe I can share some progress.
Yeah, please. Can you do it now?
Yeah. Let me send some. Take some screenshots here. Meetings.
Charlie has uploaded an image. Wait, so what is new with this page? Charlie?
Hmm?
So I'm trying to connect. Oh, okay, good. Nice, very fast.
I think first we can watch this video.
We'll enjoy this now. Let's go through that slower. Yeah. So this is what it looks like now. I think this is really nice. Just a nice course image. Because this is it should be like a Udemy course almost. Just a course image and then a tiny bit of information. Everything should look like that. Right now, as compared to this, it's a lot more information and it looks less of a course and more of a, I don't know, like a university course, I guess. But yeah. That's the comparison, at least. And then you log in, and then you see the same information here, or then you save the text for here, for the screen. Yeah, that's it. Any thoughts?
Beautiful pictures.
Thoughts, anyone?
No, it looks great.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we can consider doing that maybe a little bit. Obviously, it's not that important, maybe, but I still think it's quite important because people want to understand our different courses here. Yeah, and we want to sort of market them a little bit better, maybe. Why did you send these screenshots, Charlie?
Yeah, I'm working on the recommend dialogues. You can You can check the, this will be, look at this, don't move. This is the new dialog page from Explore. So when you come here, you will actually see that a few recommend dialogues. But I don't have right now. So it will list some message, and we at the bottom there's we can tap that one and go to the next. You will see a list of all our dialogues. You can move next image.
This one.
Yeah, this one. So it will also mark as I at the start in the beginning, and so it will be marked as complete or not, and then the title and some simple, easy, and the other topics or something related here. Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, and I also improve the caching stuff. So they only if they watch they listen the MP3 audio, it will automatically download to their app. So the second time they watch it, there will be no downloading time. So it will be play immediately. And I will talk with you. I will ask you a bit more stuff on this. It's not finished yet. So yeah, that's it.
Very nice, Charlie. On that note, also, like I feel like our dialogues are really, really good, and we spent a lot of time on them, which is sad, but also worth it, I think. But right now we're just left with like 1,000 dialogues in a row, and I just want to address that quickly. I know that you can click level here and topic here, but it would be so nice if we could just have a little menu here, and you can toggle easy, medium, hard, and you can toggle between different topics. I feel like that won't take too long. Could we consider making that a story? I know we shouldn't add new things, but I feel like the dialogue should be so improved if we just did that quickly. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean it's quick-ish, but yeah, if you want, just add it.
Okay, yeah. Quick-ish. Yeah, it's making your work sound easy when I say it's quick. Call it quick-ish. Okay, so that is Charlie, you also, so you have the recommended dialogues that you're working on, and you have this thing. Chris, are you here?
Yep.
Oh, good, thank you. Charlie, do you want to talk to us about this, maybe?
Maybe I forgot a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. I think it's right now it's good. I don't. I think I remember the whole point is we don't spend too much time on the spring meetings. If we need a special, if we need to discuss something which is long, say for example, Felix want to discuss about the landing page design. It has 20 pages of. We should not discuss this in the spring meeting. So we should have a separate meeting for that special topic.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep, that's correct.
Yeah, I can remember a lot of these things, but I guess it's like this part, right?
But still, yeah. So we will promise not to talk about boring things, just necessary things, and try to make meetings for these things. Like the landing page and stuff, so everyone doesn't have to get involved into that, and then we'll pencil and schedule that meeting whenever everyone's available. Enough talking about that, but then we also need everyone on the Scrum meetings. If the Scrum meetings are just supposed to be the Scrum meetings, then we need to make sure that everyone is here so we can quickly go through these things. Right now we're closing and opening, so it takes a little bit extra maybe. But okay, very good. Then I feel like without further ado, before the story follow-up, we can has it been going well? I guess I should ask as an HR guy. This sprint.
Who are you talking to?
I'm asking
Anyone.
And if no one
Anyone that will listen.
Is everyone happy with the previous sprint? Am I asking the right question, Chris?
Yeah, I guess. I think it's like it's okay. I mean, it's not very good that we couldn't close it on time last time, but it's also a little bit my fault, I guess. I mean, it's a change. It should be 9 o'clock, not 10 o'clock. But we'll just do it. And I agree with Charlie. It's important that we do it kind of fast. I think it's also like we got a document from you guys kind of outlining what we're going to get into. The question is if we should actually take that separately as well.
But that's why we scheduled 1 more hour for this meeting.
All right. Well, then that's good.
So, because there's so much to discuss, so we need E4 and we need Charlie and you and me for this. And Alan is here as well now. Okay, but then we can move on then. So first of all, I'm sorry, but I have so much that I want to do, and I feel like it's not creating any new courses or anything. It's literally just to make it fancy and good looking and attractive for new customers to come and join, based on what I've learned and based on what I've seen, based on what I've learned from courses and based on what I've seen on from our competitors. And so I've literally written down exactly what I want us to do. I'm also going to maybe improve on that a little bit. So for both cases, like it's either you making exactly what I want, but then still maybe making some changes later on. And so instead of that, you came up with, Charlie wrote here that we could use ghost.com instead for landing pages. And so my question there is, can we do so? And when I was biking home yesterday, I was thinking, okay, so how could that really work? Well, in the back end, you need to still like make sure that everything links back, even though we can find like features and plugins for subscriptions and signups. You still need to make sure that the back end is there, but that still makes it sound very fast. But my question is also, do you think they have like plugins? I wasn't able to find any. Do you think we can find plugins and features online with like subscriptions and signups? And do you think we can like sort of design it on our own and stuff? That is a very important question, and I leave it to you now.
Well, I think that kind of stuff isn't the. Imagine like the. Oh yeah, go on. All right.
I think Felix, don't worry about it. It works. It will work.
Okay. I mean, the important part is that whatever we do there, that we can let people log in directly, and it's safe and secure. That none of the data will ever be left to these people, whoever they are.
Well, anything requiring a login will be the React app anyway. It's
you are worried. I think it's two things. One question Felix is asking is, can we integrate this into our current system? This answer is yes. We can integrate with our server. It's just simply just database and user data connection. The second question, I think, Chris, is about security. The solution that comes out is in the same domain name. That means is anything .dominochinese.com that is owned by us, and then we only offer this feature to 100 trust people. That means Alan and we, right? So anyone can say that Alan create a new website, classroom.dominochinese.com. He can access the user data by logging in the user directly towards our server, and then get the user data, get the user subscription details, or the studying process of the current DominoChinese.com, something like that.
Yeah. Let me mind. Let me just so we're all on the same page, because I feel like this landing pages are going kind of around a bit. I just want to go back to kind of basics. Here, let me share my screen. What go away? There we go. Open. I mean, so I mean the essential thing that we need. I don't think we will ever need 1,000 different landing pages, right? But your idea here would be to use a third party to build these landing pages, which would also contain the sign up feature, obviously.
Yeah.
Because this sign up feature will have to be on the landing page. It can't be another click to go to sign. It's a little bit misleading here, but this is not a click. Right. And we can build it on there, and you feel like the integration here for all of these things wouldn't be any particular problem.
No, it won't be.
Okay.
I already implement that in other places, like Boba.
All right, that's great.
It's all working.
And
Great.
subscription also.
That's great. What did you say?
And subscription also.
Yeah, you can subscribe from that landing page too.
Okay. Yes. Because
good. Then we will use that in the coming sprint to build landing pages. I mean, to be fair, I will tell you like this: for my ad stuff, I will need one. I just need one, and this will be probably from Google and some other places. But I'm only gonna need one here. But it's really good that we have.
The goal for this split things is like we should leave E4 only focus on the server API. So say that the landing pages, if Alan or Felix works on a landing page, and this page needs sign up to DominoChinese.com, that means Felix or Alan should respond to implement the sign up by yourself. Yeah, then just like how I work on the app and how E4 on the server, I take care of the app part and E4 take care of the server part, and then we use the API to integrate this feature, something like this. The goal is to not let E4 to split his energy on different landing pages and different kind of work. This really will slow down or will not make the server or our system will be slowly bad in some way.
Yeah.
It's great as long as it has the feature we need. But that's really good. Then we can. I'll just write down here, because this is going to be the next thing for us in the coming sprint, is to build landing pages and get the. I'm going to get Facebook started at least in the coming sprint.
So then E4 sets up.
I think the next before you choose a new platform, I think the first very important is all of us we test it first. We try it out and we see if this tool is all fits your needs, and if it doesn't, don't ask E4 to can you build this on the other platform for us. That will be, again, it will be back to zero, everything. So use something that is already good and fit all the requirement of yourself, and then confirm that it's working. Then we provide the proper API for that platform, and then we can integrate together.
Okay.
Also, from what I was thinking, like if we integrate something like this ghost thing, then that would be every page on the website that doesn't need a login, right? So you can manage all the front end pages from there. So landing page, any success story stuff, any and all of that stuff could be basically take over from the admin CMS page, right?
Yeah,
And that like takes away another big chunk of something that I don't need to deal with, and
Nice.
how can we tweak this a little bit? That's I mean, it's necessary to do, but kind of slows down some of the other stuff I'm trying to do.
Nice.
Good.
So I'm guessing I will be the person who will try and figure out if this platform is good or not. How do you suggest that I do it? Like, my only approach now would be like talking to their customer service and showing them like, I would like this and this and this feature. Does it work on Ghost? And then they would say yes, and I would come back to you a day later and be like, yes, it works. Is there any better way to do it?
I think it's pretty quick just to set up, and like the WordPress one I set up.
Yeah.
So maybe on the
I would recommend you just sign up a pro version. It's just $29 a month, and just try to use it and then see how you can go. Use that one to build 1 or 2 pages. If it's quick, you can build 5 pages already. Try to use that to build 1 or 2 pages, and then you will know. Are you happy enough to use that? If you are, once that is confirmed, okay, I'm happy with Ghost, and let E4 know, and E4 will find a way to kind of inject or integrate with see how you can get the user information from that platform, and then E4 can implement some API or maybe a JavaScript file add to that platform. Then it's it. Then I think.
Yeah, just to create a user for me as well in some way, and I'll check it. I will check as well.
Nice. I'm making a wish here. It says E4 API or JavaScript file to add a platform to DC. I'll just put it there. You can delete it or replace it with something or edit it. Very good. Okay, that feels like very good progress here. I would love for it to be on my hands instead of your hands. If I have an idea, I want to do it, and not having to feel bad about asking you about it and then take it from your time. That's very good. I like it.
Yeah.
One question though is, you said it works on every front end page. So if I have like a consistent and nice design on the landing page, and then they sign up, and then it looks a little bit different, everything. Is there any way that I could later on maybe do the same thing on the logged in pages as well?
Well, my thinking is, if Alan's maybe going to be helping you with the design of the classroom and maybe the front end stuff, then you guys between yourselves, I mean, I don't really necessarily need to be involved.
No.
Come up with a design that you're all happy with for the existing public-facing web pages, and then just do them and then release them, and then when they log in, it's not going to look quite the same. But then after you're happy with a kind of visual identity, kind of with the fonts and the colors and everything you want to use, then afterwards, then we can start updating the logged in, the React app to look the same.
Yeah,
I don't know it needs to be done. I think we can just do it in stages.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, we really should come. We have to the overall vision really is to get more people in. So focus on, if we get landing pages up and get the marketing going, that's priority number super one. So let's not risk getting stuck in too much design at the moment.
No, of course. I just want to know that we have a plan.
Yeah. That's a step after, but we we will come to that. We will come there together. Yeah.
Good. About the design, guys, I just want to show you. I'm not sure you've seen it, but like this is the best time to show you as well, I think. So I have even like, if I just look at the design here, if you have, this is your only and last chance to say something about it. But
show your screen.
I'm sharing my screen. You should stop sharing yours.
Oh, that's all right. It's bugged out. I'll be back in a second.
Oh, okay. Subscription important. Okay. You can see my screen now.
Yeah.
Actually, I can show you straight on Masterclass, I think. This is what I would like us to do. So whatever the design is here, it's just like this is the sign up thing, Felix, blah, 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 at something.com, gmail.com. And whatever, like if you need to insert your password, that's all good. But then you're hit with this, like straight up off the bat. You're given this and this and this, and this is what I'm hoping that I can design on my own. And then you just need to point the back end stuff. And then you place the order. Or you can have like a little button here in the bottom that says, or try lesson 1 for free. You click that button, you go directly to the intro guide on the sign up page, or on the homepage, Learning Center.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was your last chance to say something about this. Otherwise, I will do this now, as soon as I have the tools to do it. Does that sound good to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see it, but
Okay, Chris. So
still can't see her. Yeah.
No, I'll stop sharing and share back on now. Hold on. The idea, Chris, you're still sharing.
No. Well, I mean, I'm here with two different. Oh God, I hate this shit. It bugs out so bad. Yeah, that's my other one. Yeah, I'm here doubled.
Okay. Anyways, I'll sharing. The idea is that everything should be done on the front end, or the landing page, I should say. So you sign up here, whatever the design is here, and then maybe you insert your password. I think it's nice here that they don't even have to insert their password. We can try and figure out how they didn't do that. Then you press continue, and then you're off the bat, you're hit with give me a free month. This is a free year. And then you could also click try lesson 1 for free in the bottom. And then you go straight into lesson 1. And so my question here was, does anyone have any objections to this? Otherwise, I will do this as soon as I have the tools to do it. Also, if I use Ghost, will I be able to do something like this?
I guess you'll find out.
If you want to do this page, say that if you want to do it in our current website, that means if you need to work on this page. If you want to do it in say that in Ghost or WordPress, that means we need to have our authentication function set up first. I would suggest we don't do this for now. We just have a link for. We just have the links to the correct place.
Yeah.
I mean, if we use Ghost, we'll find out what we can do anyway. I mean,
I'm just going to work with.
Yeah, I think we'll.
You understand? It would be annoying with it for 2 weeks, and then it's like, oh no, by the way, Felix, we can't do this. So I'm asking now.
I mean, but what you're essentially asking is whether you can forward the login API to this site so that you could actually log in a smooth way.
Yeah,
from your landing page.
And subscribe.
Yeah, you will.
This is, everyone understands, this is subscribe as well. This is what I want to be able to do.
I mean, I'm sure Ghost has got, that's just like a pop-up modal that's got some Braintree or PayPal plugin into it.
Okay.
That So that, in terms of like getting to this stage, is okay, but then the server will also need to be updated. A few different things, right? Because at the moment you can't register without a password. If you're registering without a password, how do they log in afterwards? If they get, if the email address is wrong, or there's, I mean, it's pretty slick, but it's
It's a lot of work, and it's a lot of work. I would say.
Well, you're saying it's a lot of work, even though you set it up on Ghost.
In either way.
Well, imagine like the Ghost. That's all that is like the stuff that you see. You're not actually even talking to the server or saving any information. It's just kind of bringing up boxes and input stuff.
But the idea is still here. It's sorry to interrupt you, but the idea is still here. Like we can obviously input the password, and then you press continue. Then at this stage, you're already logged in. So you're not changing any order of anything.
Well, like I say,
Let's try it. Sorry. But I hope you understand why I asked you. I don't want to spend 2 weeks and then you say, sorry, Felix, you should have thought about this earlier. You should have asked us. Now I've asked you at least.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of a nice feature, but I don't think it's like essential for now, right?
I think you're maybe misunderstanding each other here. I mean, the key thing here with the landing pages is that you're able to actually subscribe on them.
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. It works.
And that's really the important thing. I mean, these guys obviously have a different login method. This would be different because they are essentially subscribing without a password. So that would require. But given that we actually follow the current method of doing it, which is that you have an email and you sign up with a password. If we follow the same kind of structure as there, then that shouldn't be a problem. Is that correct? And I mean, either way, we'll find out if you can do that pretty fast, I guess, if we play around with it.
Good. So I'll start playing around with Ghost. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure they've got like an online place where you can just mess around. If not, maybe you can just download a version on your laptop and then just have a play around with it.
Mm-hmm. I'll do that.
I mean, ideally it would be, you could just pick it up and then it's really simple, and then anything design-wise or pop-ups and things that you'll be able to do with just a couple of tutorials or something, right?
Yeah.
It's the kind of the idea.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, make sure I get a login as well, Felix, and let's get it's great. I mean, this is really good. This is probably exactly what we need, and like you point out, it's going to help a lot because it enables us to play around it, and IFR doesn't have to be involved in unnecessary stuff essentially, and us going back and forward and being like, oh, what about this?
And I look forward to the iterations, like having landing page 1 and then comparing that to 2. And then, improving them all the time. I think that's something very nice. And again, we don't need your help for that. Perfect. Okay. So I think we've discussed that now. Alan, are you here? So the landing page. If Alan's not here for now, I'll just write to him. Hold on.
But could you quickly just give like a 2-minute overview of what Domino Classroom is? That'll be.
Yeah.
Domino Classroom is. Maybe this is not the best place to show you. Hold on. Is this Domino Classroom? Nah, it's not really. Sorry, I made too many charts yesterday. Okay, Domino Classroom is going to be. Do you know what Coursera is?
Yeah.
Coursera. So the idea is that you can study, you can join a course live. I'm not sure they're doing this still, but I guess so. You can join a class live, and then you get a certificate, and you get a lot of, you get a guarantee as well. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here also by doing the pilots now. That if you join this, you will get guaranteed, etc., etc. because we'll have trialed and done it enough times to be able to know that. And so what we do then is we sort of offer, like, not necessarily like boot camps, but we offer live groups all the time where they can join and they can get these guarantees. And then we could also market us like that. So our landing page will be like, get to HSK level 3 or speak Chinese guaranteed. And then,
but it's an online teaching.
Yes, it's online teaching, and then you could either join the course. You could either just So first of all, then the go-to option I want us to have would be to join the Domino classroom, and then you join the Domino classroom, and then what you get then is you get a teacher, or you get a group to study with. You get both, I guess. And you earn a degree. You get that guarantee as well, and you pay a lot more money. Or you can always choose like on Coursera as well. Like, no, I want to study this on my own without any guarantee. But then, like, it comes without the guarantee. I want to study this on my own, and then students can always just do that. Still, that will still be like the same option as it is today. But we'll also have the additional one, which we also recommend, which is getting into a course or getting into a group with a teacher-led classes.
Studying by yourself would just be like the same as just subscribing to Domino Chinese then?
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. The only question there is if they sign up on the course, on the Domino classroom, can we somehow gift them like the Domino course, because they will already be paying a lot of money. That's the only
I mean, to build that, you need to kind of fundamentally change some features of the site and build kind of groups where the teacher can find out things and where you can publish material and share them with each other. I mean, Coursera is built in a fundamentally different way.
So,
to be honest, like,
yeah,
I took a lot of courses there.
Oh, good. So you have some input there. First of all, so if I can show you this then, like, one thing that we will need, but then we'll be able to, like, we'll know if by the time we need it, we'll be able to know that we make money from this and it's worth investing in. But what we need is that the teachers to maybe be able to see like what the students have done or not. But that's already a function that we more or less have. Like, the teachers can see like, oh, so the students have watched this lesson, they've reviewed this flashcard, and so on and so on. Just like a place where the teacher can see that. And after that, it's basically what we do then is the Domino classroom. What Alan is going to help us build here is, first of all, it's a landing page for students to study that separately. So it's a landing page, where you can we can do the Domino classroom, or you can study it independently also, just like we're doing now. Okay, then he is also going to set up like a schedule and or like a reminder system.
Did I miss anything? Sorry. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
We're talking about you now.
Yeah.
If you want to. So then it will include where you can join a class, and you can set up a schedule that fits you, and you can also the teacher can see what the students have completed or not. So this is maybe a function that depends a little, that hinges a little bit on E4 and on that end, but hopefully it won't take too much time, and especially it's something that we need to work on now. And then we also Alan has already set up a Discord forum for all the students. So we have different classrooms there, and we have different channels that they can stay in, where they can submit homework as well now. So everything, these are the things that Alan will be working on. And the first step here is phase one. Here, phase one is this step here, where this is the Domino classroom. I'll zoom in a little bit. This is the Domino classroom. And then you land on Domino classroom, and we show the benefit of it, and we ask students to sign up to the classroom. If they're interested, if they sign up, then they pick a time and they pick a pace, and then it would be nice if we can maybe give them full access. For now, we'll just be like, no, sorry, you have to pay for the website also. And then they join Discord and they start the course. If they're already students of the website, so they're already on the website, then all we need to do now is just click a button that says maybe Domino Classroom Guaranteed Learning, and then they come to this page here. So that's all that it looks like now. All it needs to look like. You literally just have to add a button. Then phase 2, we have to have phase 2 in mind as well. Sorry, I think I just stopped sharing. Sorry, we have to have phase 2 in mind all the time because, you understand why. Because if we don't, then phase 2 will be annoying, and we want to reach phase 2 because we want to. If that means that we've succeeded and our method works, and at that point, it's more or less the same thing. But what's the difference here? I guess it should be the same. It should be sort of more integrated. I didn't really do this well enough, I don't think, this phase 2 thing. But it should be more integrated. So it's not like clicking from one platform to another and then skipping. We need to be able to make sure that we can smoothly